There's a green hook on this side, or in the back of the car.
Busted, she called it a car again. Every video, guys, every video.
Oops, okay. So in the back of the Jeep.
One of these days, I'm gonna put together like a whole video of Kim just calling the Jeep a car. Car, 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 car. That will be funny.
I was doing so good. Welcome back to our channel. We just received another amazing part for our Mojito JL, and we're gonna open up this package and see what's inside. It came from Motor City Aftermarket Parts, which is just outside of Detroit, Michigan. So let's see. All right, let's get it open. Let me use these broken scissors. I'm really excited about this product. Coming from Motor City Aftermarket, like I mentioned before, an American-made, family-owned business. They've been around for over 50 years, again, right outside of Detroit, Michigan. So the products they create are very well made, so well made that the military uses them for their parts. They make parts for tanks, such as the M1 Abrams tank, for the military. Inside, there's an envelope that tells you the package contents. So let's see what we have. We have one install guide, which I'm gonna need. There's window decals, warranty card, and a review card. And I'm really excited because I can see that RH inspected it. So thank you, RH. Holy cow, these feel amazing. Like you can tell these are well built just by touching them. I am impressed already. I'm hoping they're just as impressive when we put them on. Let me flip it. I think it goes this way based on the prongs here and the little door latch, which I'm really excited about. I wasn't sure if there was gonna be a door latch on these when James mentioned them. I think that's gonna be really nice. Make sure it's locked in. But you could tell that these are made really well and why the military uses Motor City Aftermarket to, build their parts. This also has a lifetime warranty on the structure of the piece, as well as a 5-year warranty on the coating that they use for the piece. Knowing that this company makes parts for the military, you won't be surprised that when they do their salt shield coating, they go through a salt spray test of over 1,700 hours. The 1,700 hour process can assure you that the salt is stopped dead in its tracks. So my next step is to get these all unpacked and organized so I can just pull the door I need as I put them on the Jeep. So here are the rear doors. As you can see, same awesome structure. Little latch lock. The prongs that we're gonna use to insert it in, and the safety strap. So this door will not slide open too fast and hit your Jeep. Just seeing the craftsmanship of these doors, like I'm really excited to put these on. These are gonna be awesome. I think they'll be helpful too when we want to drive around with all the doors off and we have our niece and nephews in the car, and we'd like them to be a little more contained, but still feel the freeness and the freedom of the Jeep with the doors off. I can't believe I forgot to wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day. Whether you're Irish or not, happy St. Patrick's Day. Clearly I'm ready, decked out in my gear, and Mo is always ready for St. Patrick's Day. Now, I just wanted to show you, we already took our doors off, so if you want to see a video on that, we have one, and we'll put the link somewhere on the screen so you can follow where that video is, and you can see how to take these doors off very easily with step-by-step instructions. We also took off this little black casing because we wanted to expose this hook where those straps on the door are going to slide into. Those are those straps that make sure your door, when it swings open, it doesn't crash into the Jeep. I I just want to mention how nice it is that we have these LED lights down here because you can see exactly what we're going to do and I can see exactly what I'm going to do. Let's get started on the passenger door. As you can see, these are going to slide right into those hinge brackets where doors normally go. And voila. To get in, you just use this little ball and pick up the latch. And then as you can see, it just latches very nicely. I'm gonna take this strap and there's this little like hook, black hook. I'm going to put it down here, but make sure the strap kind of gets in there under that hook because I noticed I was just gonna I could just leave it like that, but I don't think that's as secure, see? But if it goes under that hook, it's secure, and then we can put these back on. There's one more step. We have bolts that we took out of our door hinges when the doors came off, and those are in the back of the Jeep. We're gonna do those last. They will go right under here, and those bolts will screw in and really secure this door. Once again, we're putting these in to the door hinge. And the latch is right on. All right, now don't forget this safety strap. So these hooks on the back of the Jeep are green and you're gonna attach your safety strap to that. And as you can see, those straps really help. Now I noticed when I installed the first set of doors on the Jeep, I just put these in, I didn't set them in. I was trying to, but I felt like, oh, I guess they don't go in because I couldn't get it to set in, but you really have to keep playing with it. And they're supposed to actually sit down. This little metal part that you could see is wider in circumference from the bolt actually is gonna sit down in, there we go, in the door hinge. So make sure you lock that in to place. And again, your strap goes right into this hook, right here. All right, as you can see, you open the door. Latched. Last one. Same installation. But again, double check that you're, oh, that was nice, right? Yeah, that one is nice. All right, put this on here. That green hook in the back of the Jeep. Put my plastic covering back on. That Jeep makes so easy to take off and on. And here we go, here we have it. Fits like a glove. Well, there you have it. We have all 4 doors on. Probably you can get these on in under 5 minutes. And the latch is real nice. It's made with really good quality. The little ball is easy to grab and pull up. I mean, it is fabulous, and it just locks right into place. As you can see, these fit so nicely into all of the door hinges. And the straps fit nicely, everything closes with ease. And overall, I think it's just a very appealing, sturdy, great product. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna go to the back of the Jeep and we're gonna get our bolts that are placed in their little carrying case back there. And we're gonna put the bolts back in underneath to secure these doors in place. All right, grab your Jeep toolkit, open it up, and I'm gonna use this T50 Torx bit to fasten these onto the Jeep doors. I always start them off all by hand first. So what we're finding is they definitely screw all the way up. So that's very nice. Be sure to tighten all 8 of them. All right, the last thing we're going to install today are the M1 trail mirrors. Now, if you notice, the doors have the M1 in front of the name as well as the trail mirrors, because it all ties in with the fact that they make military grade products. This is going to be the arm for the mirror, the M1 trail mirror that you're gonna put in. When we go to do this, we're gonna take our bolt, screw that nut on, get a 3/4 inch wrench, screw this part on, and then you're gonna add your washer on top. Next, add your washer, and then we're gonna screw this into the Jeep. You're gonna take your T50 Torx bit with some extenders, and you're gonna unscrew the windshield hinge bolt. All right, I have my T50 Torx bit. I'm gonna take off this windshield hinge bolt. First time we did it was really tight because of the paint, so we just kind of hammered it in gently, and now it's a no-brainer. All right, take your side trail mirror arm that you've already prepared with the nut and the washer. You're gonna slide it in here. All right, I'm at the point where I can't go any farther, so I'm gonna back it on up to the point where I think I'm gonna want the mirror. And then I'm gonna tighten this nut, because as I was informed, it's called a jam nut, and it's gonna jam it in place. Okay. I'm gonna screw this on into place. They mentioned that you can use a little bit of Loctite in here, and there you have it. Those are actually really nice. Yeah, I like you. As you can see, you're gonna have to adjust the bar or the arm and the mirror into the spot you want. So after you get it tightened enough, you can get into your Jeep and make those adjustments personalized to your needs. Here we go again. And there you have it. We have our M1 trail mirrors on to go with our M1 tube doors. If you can notice from our windows outside, it's a beautiful sunny day, but it's still in the 30s in Chicago, so I'm gonna have to bundle up to test drive these new doors. Looks like I'm ready to go. Let's roll. I could tell I need to make some adjustments on the passenger side of the Jeep, but I was able to make a quick adjustment here on the driver's side, and it seems to be working just fine. Alright, I like these doors. So far, no rattles. I don't hear anything. Just another day, 30 degrees in Chicago. There you have it for our M1 tube door install from Motor City Aftermarket, and also the M1 trail mirror. We're really liking these products. They're quality items, very sturdy, and they bars are just made very nicely. Really good craftsmanship here. So what do you guys think? Should we keep these black or should we powder coat them mojito green? You let us know what you think and then we'll let you know what we're gonna do. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like us, share us, and we really appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. Happy St. Patrick's Day.